Setting the record straight. False claims about Larry Hoover and David Bostell need stopping.
So an original Gangster comes online and says that Larry Hoover never told on him. Where do these guys get their information from, man? Gotta stop it.
Early part of this year, last year, they tried to say that Larry Hoover told on me. That he told the police that I shot him. I had to come on Facebook and made it perfectly clear. That man ain't never told on me, but damn. They did the same thing to David Bostell. They put it on that David Bostell told on some Blackstone Rangers in 1965 and 66.
Shout out to Sauce Talk Podcast.
Appreciate y'all. You know the vibes.